We're also charging our magic bands from Walt Disney World. And we are going to update them tonight, so I will show you how I got on with updating them here. So let's start this again. So I've just done mine. That's now updated. Now that I know what I'm doing, I'll show you how to do Lily's. So I'm going to link. So you want to pair it. So to pair, so we're going to tap this button once. It goes green. Then you're going to hold that button for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. And it goes blue. So it's now pairing. And then it automatically says an update is required. Just click download and install. And then just follow the instructions. It takes about 3 minutes. And then this will be fully updated to go. But what I will say is that this app isn't on the actual Disney Cruise Line app. This is the My Disney Experience app that you upgrade or update the bands. So this is what we use for Walt Disney World, the My Disney Experience, not the Disney Cruise Line app. There you go, step 3 of 4 complete. All done. Perfect. And now we'll do the others, so we're all up to date. And this is where you can change like the theme, all different colours, light up themes, settings, reduce brightness. Pretty cool. That's all done. Yeah. Obviously back in 2022 we used them last, so they'll probably need a software update ready for the cruise ship on the Disney Dream, which will be on tomorrow.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe our channel, turn on our channel. Remember to hit the notification bell and give us a huge thumbs up. Bye guys! Bye guys!